Stock market tips people don't want you to know. The stock market can be a great way to ease yourself into the world of investments. Many stocks can be bought cheaply and therefore, can be used to help you learn investing without risking everything. Take the time to learn how to invest in the stock market and use the tips from this video to help you along. The time you take to arm yourself with knowledge is an investment that will pay off. Exercise patience and control in your investments. The stock market tends to have many investment opportunities that are favorable one day, and not so favorable the next. Keep up with long-term investments rather than getting caught up in flash-in-the-pan opportunities that may fizzle out in no time. When things are on the decline in a clearly bear market, look for stocks that are undervalued. These would be stocks that have low prices, but are expected to grow higher in the short run. If a company is stable and promising with a cheap stock price, it could be a good investment. When considering company stocks to invest in, consider any past negative surprises. Similar to the idea that one pest is typically indicative of more pests in your home, one blemish on the company record typically indicates more in the future. Choose businesses with the best reputations to avoid losing money on your stocks. Online brokers are a good option for amateurs that are willing and able to do their own homework. Online brokers charge much lower fees since you handle most of the research yourself. Since your aim is to make money, the lowest possible operating costs are always ideal. As you have probably already learned, the stock market can be a great place to become a beginning investor. You don't need massive amounts of money to buy a few stocks to get some experience in the stock market. Apply the advice from this video, to help guide you, as you learn about the stock market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.